Today we will be discussing about the topic of demand and supply, and this is the basic topic in the subject of business and economics. Firstly, we will be trying to understand the basic definitions of the demand and supply because when we talk about the demand is the willingness or ability of consumers to purchase a good or service at a given price which is being produced represented to them by the producer of a product. We can say that the demand is the thing the product eh, of the producer wants to buy it, a consumer wants to about a thing. When we talk about the supply, the when a product is being demanded by the consumers, when producer supplies them to the market, that is called the supply of that product in the market. So we will be discussing about the thing that how the demand and supply are being connected, because the interaction between the demand and supply are very interconnected with each other, because the demand and supply are the main decider of the price and quantity of a good or service, because when the it are interconnected with it in such way that the product are being supplied, then the consumer are according to the demand of the product, because when the demand and quantity of the product are being matched by the producers, then the situation is being reached in the market, that is called market equilibrium. At that situation, the price of a product is becomes stable, because the producers are able to match up the demand of the product. At that situation, a situation of market equilibrium is take place. Now we will be talking about a simple example so that we can have the better understanding of demand and supply concept. For that purpose, I have chosen a topic about the market of gasoline. I will be explaining about that to give us the better understanding about the market of gasoline. So first thing, when we talk about this topic, when the price of gasoline goes higher, at that situation the demand of gasoline decreases. In this way, we can say that the at higher prices, producer may target to increase their benefits, and the quantity is increased in this market, and so it becomes sometimes the situation becomes that there is oversupply in the market, because the price has become higher. At that situation, when the price of gasoline decreases, at that instances, demand of gasoline increases, because when the price goes at the lower strength, in this situation consumers try to buy it more, because the only game we are running in this market is that we everybody wants to have more benefits, either it is related to the manufacturer of the product or the consumer of the product. Be- and when the market price of gasoline decreases, it may situation become that the producer may decrease the quantity supplied, because when the market price of the gasoline decreases, the production become less profitable for the manufacturers. Now we will be discussing about the how they are interrelated to each other. The interaction between the quantity demanded and the quantity supplied the- explain about how the market equilibrium will be achieved by us. Now I will also explaining the thing that, because the whole concept we are running or going through is that the benefit of producer or consumer, because either it is related to the producer, he wants to earn more profit from a product because he has made his investment in that product, and the customer or consumer also wants to have or earn the benefit, because he he is doing various things, because he have to do the daily routine activity according to his budget. So we can, in conclusion, we can say that the basic of demand and supply is essential for businesses to make informed decision about how their pricing will be made, how the production of the product will be made, and how the investment related to the product will be made by the manufacturers. After analyzing the factors of the the demand and supply, they, after having the better understanding of demand and supply concept, the production producers can have the more benefits according to that situation. Now, so now I will be concluding my presentation.